Good morning, everyone. This is me, Shivani Sharma, and today we have a very special guest, Tanu ma'am. She is a very inspiring teacher and mentor, and she is also a very educated woman, and she is also a dental doctor. So, I just want to know some questions, some general questions in this podcast session. So, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm also good and thank you for asking. So, ma'am, can you tell me your whole journey for your successful life? My audience wants to know.
Okay, so it was a very hard working journey with me, like doctor to as a teacher journey. Um, doctor was my dream, so that I cleared that exam neat. After that, I become a dental doctor, and after that, I decided to give some for nation. So I started preparation for UPSC exam. I faced lots of problem in that exam. Sometime I faced failure also, but after some time ago, I cleared the UPSC exam and start serve for nation.
You are a very hardworking woman, and my audience wants to know that this is. And, ma'am, I just want to know who inspired you to become a teacher to renew this job for a dental doctor.
Okay, the only person who inspired me, my husband, and my dreams that I want.
So, who motivated you when you face the problem like failure and you are not unsuccessful in life? So, who motivated you very much?
Okay, as I failure, I think that failure is a part of our life. If you failed in any exam, it's a motivation for you. Do again hard work and do again for that exam preparation. So that's it.
So, ma'am, did your family or in-laws supports you in this journey?
You know that we are Indians, a lots of peoples who did not support, like in my family also, but I have a good partner who always stand with me and who always support me, like my husband, and my dream is also very good and I want to achieve that dream. So
Okay, this is also a good achievement for your husband. So, ma'am, my audience wants to know how you inspired most of the students in this Gen Z generation.
okay, so there is a lots of Gen Z who take a wrong path. Like they start UPSC exam preparation, but they don't know how to start preparation. So I give a suggestion as a mentor how to start preparation for UPSC. Firstly, take a knowledge for prelims. After then start preparation for mains. So that's it.
So, ma'am, how did you think about those students who are fail in 12th class and who are not good in study, and who those are some thing that I am not able to crack the UPSC exam, and how will you motivate this kind of students?
Okay, so failure is the part of just a life that everyone face in their life. Like those students who failed in exam, they think that it's just a part. You just again. Life is a part of thing again and again. You just start studies again and think about that future. Have you seen that so many peoples who face problem like money problem, surrounding people's face like if they suffering from any disease, they don't have money to uh, clear the things that they need. So the things that happen with you, it's the only a motivation for your learning.
So, ma'am, my audience wants to know. Most of the teachers are in UPSC expand paid a high paid fees, and you only take a few cost of this expand of UPSC exam. So, what is the reason behind it?
Okay, so actually, I told you as I'm a doctor, I got a good salary and a good money in that career. But in that time, I don't need money. I just want to serve for my nation. Like those aspirant who preparing for exam, I give a guidance and a good mentorship.
So, guys, this is a good thoughts behind the reason of it, and she is a very inspiring woman. So, ma'am, as you know that most of the parents are pressurizing to their sons and to their daughters to have do you have to do this, and you are not able to do this. So, what are you saying about this kind of parents?
Firstly, those students face that type of problem. They can ask to the parents and fight for their future, because if you do that thing that you don't like, it will not complete in your future. So just focus on that thing that you like.
So, ma'am, my whole audience, my whole students wants to know what is the what is the reason of a good student and how can he achieve your goals like a simple way.
Okay, so firstly, all student, I have to say that you just focus the goal that you need, stability, consistency, and guidance. Take a good teacher suggestion that you need in your life.
But ma'am, most of the student hesitate some problems like I just not do this and I am a failure and I'm not doing the very good path and I'm not select the good path. So what are you saying this kind of student?
In every student's life, there is a part of negative point, but if you control the negative point, you become a successful. If you continue with a positive point, if you also successful, but both point are different. Negative point do not success give success, and a positive point give you success. So just focus the positive point.
So thank you so much for your thoughtful and you know that ma'am is also a very independent woman and very inspiring woman for us. So just keep and good select a good path and keep yourself and good. Thank you so much.